watching comedy is just a waste of time. This is the biggest pitfall you have just been in. Reshaper, hope you're doing fantastic today. In today's very video I want to share with you how comedy can enrich your life. In this very channel I'll do about videos about procrastination, social anxiety, NLP, LOA, personal development, and also a little bit of psychology. So if you're interested in stuff, because I do this videos every Wednesday and Sunday, make sure to subscribe, share with your friends and loved ones. You can follow me all the social media. Let's jump in. Alex, do you like comedy? Yes or not? Like Dave Chappelle, for example.
So I kicked her in the pussy.
Back in the days, I have discovered one thing. That every time when I'm watching comedy, especially I have watched comedy in many languages, because I know I'm fluent in 4 languages, and I have stopped in Japanese comedy and of course Russian comedy, which are my native comedy. Alright, and why? Well, I felt myself more related towards it, and also when I'm watching those kind of comedy sketches, I feel myself I have a really good sleep, and I felt myself even energized when I wake up. So I was still thinking that having this kind of perception that this whole world of comedy does harm you, yes or not. In fact, many people who are suffering from social anxiety and other things, I recommend them always have the comedy therapy. And how does it work? I want to share it to you right here and right now. First thing you want to do, you want to book out 10 or 30 minutes before you start the work that you want to work with. Watch a small sketch or something like that for 10 minutes, for 10 or 30 minutes, just to have this mood, to have this happiness going on. Secondly, you want to use maybe one or several LOA techniques to keep your motivation up, to kind of more manifest the thing that you want to achieve with the work you want to do. And certainly, you want to do this work on a regular basis. Recap. How can comedy help us and enrich our own life? First thing, you want to set up time 30 minutes or 10 minutes before you are starting work and just watch a comedy sketch. Secondly, you want to do some LOA stuff, maybe affirmation, right before you start on work after watching the sketch. And certainly, you want to do this work and try to do it on a daily basis, so it will help you immense to rise your energy and make it even effortless for yourself to work with. Reshape, I do this videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to subscribe to speak and share with friends who love and to carry the if you want to, because next week will be the important to rest. The question of today is, tell me in the comments box down below what's your favorite show that you are watching. For myself, it is a Japanese show. It called Getsuyo Kara Yofukashi. And I'm a talker. These two, I really enjoy them the most. Reshape, on this very channel I'll do videos about procrastination, social anxiety, about NLP, LOA, about a little bit personal development and so on. If you're interested in this stuff, you can watch this videos, and meanwhile, as always, do not let yourself to passion now, Russian boy, put out sales, you put the rock here for kudos for you.